Okay, here's the visual explanation of what I'm doing. Alright, so I go here, I hit home all. Okay, so that's it there. So what I was saying, that if I go to move and I move z-axis 5 mm, which is moving there. Okay, so it's 5 mm away from there. If I go to control, if I close it off and I go to home Z, I like to put Z where it was before. I hit it there. It does that. So I'm thinking that it wants to hit home to go back. So I hit that and it does that. So maybe this is how it's supposed to work, but if someone sees something different, just let me know.